support and the front grille before we put in the motor. So let's do that. So apparently now I gotta fix that, which is gotta find some way to fix that. And apparently on this one, I gotta replace like this piece. As you can see, it's replaced, and these two. Okay, so guys, sorry for the lack of videos. Last week we were trying to get a couple videos done, but we had some camera problems. I keep saying but yeah, we just kept having camera problems, so which means we couldn't do any videos on that. Basically, the camera that we were past using already had some sort of battery drain issue on it, so we had to have that plugged in constantly. Basically, I went to go see the video, or do the rest of the video that you guys are watching right now. And basically, the camera just shut off and it never turned on again. So, and it's a pretty old camera, so it'll probably be kind of hard to find a battery for that. And I didn't want to, have it plugged in all the time, so we went out, got a new camera. You guys will see this a little bit later on. But anyways, I just want to give you guys a little update of why there's no videos last week. That's the reason why. Try my best to have at least one video a week. If not, you guys could head on over to our Twitter, and we'll announce if there will be or won't be a video on a Thursday or Friday. This is the main days we're gonna upload on. If you guys don't see a video on either of those 2 days, head on over to our Twitter, and there should be some sort of announcement of what's going on then. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little update segment on what's going on. You guys can get back to the video. So guys, what I was trying to get at last time actually was, can you see those? There's some bolts right there, I think. You guys can see one right there and one right there. Actually not right there, right up there somewhere. You guys can see it. But I gotta take out those bolts to take out the front fender. Same on the other side. There's 3 I gotta take out. If I take out more, to take out the radiator support, and then, well, I guess you'll see when I finish it. But that's a little update for now. So I got the front grille out so far. So as you see in the back, probably it might start raining really soon. So I might try to get the radiator support out. But if it starts raining, I'm gonna quickly pack up everything, then we'll start again tomorrow or whatever. So let's get this done before it starts raining. Hi guys, this is a quick little segment. At the end of the video, the camera died, so we bought a new camera. We bought a GoPro, so this is going to be the new camera that's going to be filmed with, or filmed everything on, this new GoPro Hero 8. So that's what we're going to be using from now on, because this camera that we have died. and I hope you guys will like the quality of this much better. So I'll see you guys in the next video once we start using this. Today, it seems like it's going to start raining, so I'll get back to when it's nice and sunny. We can finish taking off the radiator support. Hopefully with some help would be nice, because I kind of figure that this thing's going to be heavy. So see you then, I guess. Okay guys, so as you can see, I got the rat support, so all I really need to do right now is to take out those, and then we should be able to put the new rat support in there, hopefully. And I guess just stay tuned with me to find a way to get those things off.
God. Well, I got the second last piece, so it's 2 or 3 pieces I need to technically get off, so. They were stuck together. God. Here's one. There's number 2. Okay, so right now I just need to take out these 3 bolts, and then the rest of the radiator support will come out. This is the rest of the radiator support right here. Same thing on this side. Gotta do that extra bolt though. Other than that, that's what we have to do. Let's get this done so we can get the engine in. That's it. I finally got to finish the radiator support out. I probably have to get some steel so I can put another hole in over on this side, because here the goal is like 1 for the fender and 2 for the mount. There's only 1 over there for the mount, so I gotta probably whatever, weld over there a new hole for it. But other than that, I got the mounts out. I got the last of everything out. As you can see, there's only one problem, is that with this, I'm gonna have to probably drill it out more than likely, because I can't seem to get this one out. This one should easily pop out. I could probably easily cut it off, just put in a clamp and cut it off. But yeah, I have to. I don't know if it's easier to probably weld that back on or just get a new one. But I'll think on that. I'll let you guys know. But anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. I'll see you next time when we finally put the engine in. Hopefully. See you then.